In most streets in Umoja Estate, Nairobi, there is visibly a high number of water vendors selling a commodity that ironically has become the most sought after. And in the wake of the COVID-19 outbreak, individuals are required to regularly wash their hands to combat the spread of the pandemic. But the water taps have run dry.
Watufungulie maji na roho safi tu. Juu ya ugonjwa saa hii wanatuambia ugonjwa ni mbaya na hatuna usaidizi mwingine. Maji hatuna, tunanunua maji kila wakati. Hata mkiona hapa mnaona mikokoteni imejaa hapa. Na hiyo mikokoteni yote inatoa maji kwa borehole ili ikuje ituuzie sisi.
Residents are pointing fingers at the company in charge of supplying water here. They are accusing the water supply of going to bed with water cartels to create an artificial shortage.
Sababu kama sahi wakati wa corona, watoto wetu na sisi wenyewe tunateseka kwa nyumba. Na kila mara tunaambiwa tuoge, tu sanitize. Ukienda nyumba mingi hapa inako, wananunua maji. Ukiangalia nyuma yangu kuna mikokoteni yenye tunasema maji ikuja area hii sababu maji ilifungwa na kanju.
The complaints have now reached the Water Services Regulatory Board, which is seeking to contain the auctioning of water. The board has announced fresh registration of small-scale water service providers within Nairobi metropolis. The fresh registration requirement aiming at water bowsers and tankers, exhausters, gated community service providers, private boreholes engaged in commercial water supply, and all the non-government organization water projects.
Most of the time we have been accused of not doing our work in the correct manner, maybe supplying water which is low standard, and maybe about the cost, at this time, the cost. And within this platform we are going to take everybody on board.
The fresh registration exercise will come to a close on 15th of May.
In the wake of COVID, now the public health issues are being taken very, very seriously. And every drop of water that is being consumed in Nairobi, either for domestic or even hand washing, the quality check is very, very important.
Regular washing of hands has been recommended by the World Health Organization as a major move to combat the spread of the coronavirus. Yet for the residents of Umoja and some estates in Nairobi, scarcity of water is now imminent, with calls to the national government to intervene and solve the crisis. Makori Ongechi, Citizen TV,